Let me start this session with a story. Kaishora and Amrita are twin kids. They may look alike, but they are not genetically same. As the name suggests, Kaishora is tender, that is soft in nature, than Amrita, and ultimately they are different individuals. Getting back to the topic, Amritadi Gugulu is the twin formulation of Kaishora Gugulu. Many say Amritadi Gugulu is same as Kaishora Gugulu, but we have already told that no two Kalpanas are same. Every Kalpana is unique in its utility and action. The ingredients are similar to Kaishora, but along with it, Amritadi Gugulu contains Tvak in it, and it is triturated with Amruta Swarasa. It is Tikta and Kashaya in rasa, possessing Rukshaguna and Ushnavirya. It performs Deepana Karma and is Tridosha Hara, especially Kapha Pitta Shamana. But wait, it has gunas almost similar to Kaishora Gugulu. And what is making it different? As Bhavana is done by Amrita Swarasa, which makes it more Tikta, and in turn it becomes more Amapachaka. It is the first choice in condition where there is Srava, Shofa and Paka. Despite being similar to Kaishora Gugulu in many factors, it has its utility in conditions like Bhagandara, Dushtavrana, Gudarogas, where Kaishora Gugulu has not been mentioned. As you all know, success of Gugulu always depends upon Anupana. In Dushtavrana, Amritadi Gugulu with Mahamanjishtadi Kashaya can be selected. In Bhagandara, Amritadi Gugulu can be given with Gugulu Tiktaka Kashaya. In case of Gudarogas, it can be given with Abhayarishta. In Agnisada, Ayaskriti can be selected. In Vrana Shofa, Amritadi Gugulu with Nimbadi Kashaya can be given. To understand their utility in similar condition, let's use a clinical scenario. Imagine a patient has consulted you for dandruff and you have advised him to apply some oils. But just in few days, patient reverts back with complaints of itching after starting its usage. In this situation, what makes difference is administration of Amritadi Gugulu with Kadiradi Kashaya. In any condition where there is more of wetness or Srava, Amritadi Gugulu with Kadiradi Kashaya can be selected. In any condition where there is more of dryness, Kaishora Gugulu with Mahamanjishtadi Kashaya can be selected. It should be cautiously used in Pitta Prakriti person, and it is not recommendable in Dhatukshaya Janya Avastha and in Balya Avastha. Recap: Amritadi Gugulu is Tikta, Kashaya and Ushna in Virya. It is selected in condition where more Amapachana is needed.